I just built a no-code funnel in minutes, and it's faster and more powerful than a basic landing page. In this video, you're going to see exactly how I built it, what the tool is, and what are the powerful features that give you the ability to get more customers than just a basic landing page. Thank you to Perspective for sponsoring this video. And if you stick around, I'm going to give you a link to get this free template on Perspective that you can use for your own business. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to build a really high quality and polished funnel with Perspective. And you can go to Perspective with the link in the description to do this alongside with me. What's cool here is Perspective isn't just another form builder. It's designed to qualify leads, score them, and plug them straight into your automations. You can sign up for a free trial, so you don't have to pay anything to actually build alongside with me and see if it works for your business. So let's go ahead and click New Funnel on the top right. And there's a lot of templates that we can start with. And there's also a blank if you want to start from a blank template. And in this case, I always like to do a blank template just when we're getting started because it helps make sure that you understand everything about the product. So it's a blank template and we're going to be able to customize it, and I'm going to show you how it works. Just off the bat, I'm really impressed with how clean and nice the design of just the editor is. I really like that, and I like how just like by default, the funnel looks really nice. So let's say we want to make a funnel that is going to just collect email addresses in exchange for a discount code, just as an example. So let's go ahead, add the headline. Let's say get 50% off, no code MBA. And I'm going to say enter your email to claim or continue to claim. Really simple. And then you can see there's a results page as well that you can customize. And then we also can add in different elements here on the page. So if I click new block, you can see all of the blocks that are available here in Perspective. There's blocks that are more marketing blocks. You can add more information. Then there's also interactive blocks, which multiple choice, quiz, video, things like that. So I think I'm going to show you some templates that utilize more of these blocks in a second, just so you can see everything that's possible. But let's go ahead and say we want to add interactive block, which is a form. So let's click on form, and then just by default, that's going to pop in. I can delete the button that was there before. I can delete the divider. And then inside the form on the left side, you can change the design of the header. We have a tracking ID for the questions. You can also just change the spacing above and below it, which is really nice. And then for the inputs, you can also change what we're asking for. So there's all sorts of basically preset things that you can ask for here in the form, which is great. And then we have email and phone number. You can also add inputs here by just clicking that button, and you can delete inputs as well. Every element here ties back to outcomes. You launch in minute, capture better data, and instantly see where your leads drop off. So let's say we don't want a phone number. I can just go ahead and delete that. And then one more thing we need to do, just make sure I have a second page here. I need to delete that because we really only have one page here, and then it's going to the results. And then just to confirm, if we click on the button, you can go to next page, or you can just by default push it over to the results. I guess I'm not on the plan that can do that, but if you upgrade, you can go to specific pages dynamically. But in our case, it's fine because we're just going to the next page, which works completely fine. So it's linking to the next page. So let's go ahead and click publish. Our funnel is live. We can click preview to just view it in basically a Perspective editor. And then you can share this with your team and leave comments. There's so many little touches that have been built into this product, which I really like. Let's go ahead, enter in a name. We enter in an email. We'll click the button and proceed. And then we go to the thank you page, which is great. And let's say I want to leave a comment, improve thank you page. I can post that. And then that's there for someone else on my team to view and resolve. So that's the preview. And then if we publish it, we can now click, and then here we are on a live view of this page. Cookie settings, because it's GDPR compliant. And then we would be able to enter in the information in the exact same way. And then we can go over to metrics. We can see how many funnel visits we have, how many conversions, what's the conversion rate, page-to-page conversion, device split. Honestly, this is really cool. I could see myself using this for different lead funnels that I want to use with a no-code MBA or other businesses that I'm running. So if we go over to contacts, we can then see, okay, now we have a contact But what's cool is it has a CRM that's built in. So if you want to use this for sales, let's say you're a realtor, for example, and you have a lead funnel. And then once you have leads come in, you can move them into different parts of this funnel. You can also change the name of each of these steps. So there's a lot of things that you can do here, which is pretty cool. Next, we have apps. So you can basically connect different apps to Perspective. So first you have lead notifications, that could be really important, sending an email with available details when a lead is captured in a funnel. This is something that you would need to upgrade to Access. We also have Make, which allows you to basically connect your funnel and Perspective to any third party. You don't need to upgrade if you want to just use something like Make and connect it to Make and then build your own automation. You have all of these other automations as well. Also through Zapier, you have additional automations. Now I'm going to show you some more template funnels in a second, but first I did promise I would share the link to get this template that Perspective made for us specifically for this video. And you can see it's a lot more built out and polished than the one that we just created to show you what's possible. So to do this, just click the link in the description, enter in your information. You'll get 30 days for free on Perspective, and you will also get access to that lead magnet template that I just showed you. All right, so real quick, before we move on, I just want to show you one more funnel, but this time we're going to do it from a template. So let's say you are a coach, you have a coaching offer. We're going to start with this template. And again, once you have your free trial, you can go in and test out all of these templates. So here we are in this template. You can see it's a lot more built out. You can even add a video. It's just really polished. There is line items, list items. You can customize all of this. And then it's basically a full landing page that is built in as a funnel. So you can think of it almost like a website landing page. It doesn't just have to be a very simple form. This is why I like Perspective. Instead of building a landing page from scratch, I can take a template, customize it, and then be live in a few minutes. You can also go down to the bottom and view it as a desktop. So this is what it looks like on mobile. Of course, a lot of people are going to go to your funnel on mobile, but you can view it on desktop as well. So when you're doing a more complicated funnel, I definitely recommend using one of the templates because it's just so much easier and you basically just have to enter in your information and it's going to look really good right off the bat. So there's all these buttons. All of them are going to the next page. It's all going through the funnel. So we can see once someone clicks that button, it goes on to this next page, which basically is going to prep the user to be ready to enter more information. We have a quiz that it's starting. We have a price range, position, budget. So we're getting more information about the user as we go. There's an opt-in. This is all really cool. I really need to think about how I can use this inside of No Code MBA. And then there's thank you page. Really cool. And then a video as well. One thing that I didn't show you before is this messages tab, which as you can see, it's in beta, but I do want to mention this. So here, when there's an appointment booked, when the contact status is new, we are sending an email. So you can build this out to basically have some automations to send an email to users when certain things happen. And of course, in this template, you can customize it fully. And when you're ready, you can publish it to your own account. Real quick, let's just jump into one more because I was really impressed with the last one. So let's say we want to do a webinar. So let's start with this template, your webinar template. Webinars can be used for just about any business. And here we go. We can see really cool how it just has this all built out. Once people would click on that link, we go to customization just to get some more information about our users. And then to sign up, they would enter in their information. And then at that point, they would be signed up. And then you would have their information to then send them through automations like we talked about before, send them an email. You can go into messages. And by default, we have this message sent. Hope you enjoyed this overview. As a next step, click the link in the description, copy this free funnel, and test Perspective free for 30 days. For building apps with AI or no code, the fastest way to get paying customers for those projects. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more free content like this and leave a comment below and let us know what you think of Perspective and if there's anything you want us to cover in the future. We'll see you in the next video.